Namaste all dear friends and students. Welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm Mangal Bhattacharya. I have been uploading videos relating to the maths of secondary and higher secondary level, and from here already students can take help. And for today I have taken topic of mean and median as a basic start. And here it goes. The first is mean of individual data. So what do we mean by individual data? We have to understand that first. Individual data is the collection of data of the persons individually. So here it goes, like suppose 5, 10, 12, 18 and 20. Suppose these be marks scored by 5 students, or it may be weights, or maybe ages, isn't? So individual data if taken if the data of the persons are taken individually, then it is called individual data. And for that, while we'll be finding mean, we have to add these all data and should be divided by total number of the items over here. So in this example, 5, 10, 12, 18 and 20 are given as a data, and for finding its mean, what will we do? We'll add these all up, and total numbers are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By 5 we'll divide, and by doing so we'll get by summing up we get 65, and divided by 5 it comes 13. So mean of this data is 13. So this is the first concept. Now we can make reverse of it. So if data of the individual persons are given and one individual data is not given, but instead of that mean for the whole data is given, then we can find that one unknown data. Here's the question. See, previously, if mean of data 5, 10, 12 m and the another one 20 is 13, then find value of m, isn't? So here 5 data, among the 5 data 5, 10, 12 and 20 are given, and one data is not over here, and that is kept here m, and mean for these all 5 data is given 13. From that we have to find the value of m. So same process we have to do. So first we will keep the mean, that is summation x by n. So let's do mean is 13 over here, and summation of x, here all these values are x or variables, 5, 10, 12 m and 20. So get them added and get divided by the total number of terms here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 terms are here altogether, so by 5 get divided, and then we can make cross multiplication. So 13 into 5 we will do 65, and 5, 10, 12 and 20 added 47, and plus m is same over there. Now we'll bring 47 to the left side for subtracting. So by doing so we get m equal to 18. So this is the process of finding unknown value when mean is provided. Now let's go for the mean of discrete data. So first let's understand what do we mean by the discrete data. Their marks may be different, but for each mark, if there are so many people, isn't? Suppose here 50 marks is obtained by 8 people, 55 marks is obtained by 12 people over here, or 12 students, 60 marks is obtained by 15 students, likewise 70 by 70 students, and 80 by 3 students. So if individual data are frequented, and that is kept by the number of students, for how many students it data has been frequented or repeated, that is called frequency distribution, and that is called discrete data also. And for that, while we finding mean, so process will be like this. See, we have to, here 50 is repeated for 8 times. So if we'll be adding 50 in 8 times, it will be 50 into 8. So 50 when added for 8 times, that is 50 into 8, and product is 400, and like that 55 is repeated for 12 times, isn't? So that is why it is getting 660, and so far for 60 15 times 900, 79 times 630, and 86 times 480, isn't? And by summing up all these values, or summing up all the marks of these all students, that gets that is denoted by summation fx, and here it has come 3070 by adding all these things: 400, 600, 900, 630, and 480. And now number of students, let's see, 50 marks is obtained by 8 different students, 55 is obtained by 12 different students, likewise 60 by 15, isn't? So if we'll be adding up, then total number of students will come as 50. We have to add up all the frequencies and total number will be obtained. And now for finding mean, what summation of fx that has come, that should be divided by the number. So doing so, we will get mean equal to here 61.4. So this is the process of finding mean for the given discrete data, or for the data when frequency distribution is provided. And now let's get the reverse of it. So from the same question, if mean of data given below is 61.4, then find a missing frequency m. So table is over here. Here are the marks 50. I have made the question reverse of the previous one. So marks are 50, 55, 60, 70, and 80, and their respective frequencies are 8, 12, 15, m, and 3. Now we have to find the value of m when there is mean 61.4. So let's see what is the how we proceed. So first we'll make the table and fill the marks over here: 50, 55, 60, 70, 80, and their respective frequencies 8, 12, 15, m, and 6. Then same process we have to follow. We will be multiplying frequency and x, isn't? So here first is what, 50 into 8, 400, and after that second is 55 into 12, that is 660, and then third is 16 into 15, that will be 900, and then 70 into m will be 70m, and 80 and 6 will be 480. Now what I have to do, we have to add all these fx, isn't? And number, we have frequency also we have to add. First here frequency is added, m is separately, and then 6 plus 15 plus 12 plus 8 is 41. So total number of students is there 41 plus m, and summation fx is 70m is separately is kept, and these 400, 660, 900, and 480 added, that is becoming 2440. So summation fx is 2440 plus 70 m. So we have now obtained summation fx and n both. Now mean is given over there, so let's use the formula of mean as we did before. So mean is summation fx divided by number. So in place of mean, we'll be keeping the given value that was given 61.4, and in place of summation fx, we will be keeping this value which has come 2440 plus 70m, and in place of number we'll be keeping 41 plus m. And after that we have to do cross multiplication. So let's do cross multiply. So by 61.4, 41 plus m will get multiplied, and this 2440 plus 70m will remain same. And after that we have to open the bracket. So 61.4, by that 41 and m got multiplied, and that's being equal with same 2440 plus 70m. And after that we have to arrange the like terms together and get the value of m. So for that we have to bring 61.4m to the right side for subtracting with 70m, and this 2440 we have to bring to the left side for subtracting with 2517.4, and by doing that it comes 77.4 equal to 8.6 m. And after that 77.4 will get divided by 8.6, and it will come m equal to 9. So which frequency was missing, value of that is been obtained, that is m equal to 9. So this is the process of reverse for using for finding mean, where mean is given and unknown frequency is being found. And after that let's come to in the later upload I will be giving how we'll find the mean, how we'll find arithmetic mean for the continuous data. And in this middle also wish many of you who are watching this video, please like and subscribe my video also. That will encourage me to upload more and more videos for other topics also relating with math. Now let's go for the median. So let's start median from the individual data. So what is the individual data you have already installed? Now here is one question. Find the median for the data 12, 18, 13, 8, 17, 25 and 30, and these data are not arranged. For finding mean, we need not to arrange the data wherever it will be there. Just we have to sum up, and how many numbers are over there, by that we have to divide. But for finding the median you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So mostly it is arranged in ascending order. So first the smallest is 8, then 12, then 13, then 17 is here, then 18, 25, 30. This like this data is arranged in ascending order, and after ascending, then the median. Simply median is meant for the value which is in the middle. So just by inspecting, isn't 8, 12, 13, three data are on the left side, and 18, 25, 30 are on the right side. So there in the middle is 70. Just by observing or watching the data, you can analyze, you can identify what is the median. But rule for finding median is given as value of n plus 1 by 2 th item. So let's proceed. So here total number is 7 over there. If we'll be counting, isn't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 terms are there, or 7 variables are over there. Now so median equal to value of 7 plus 1 by 2 th item. So by doing that we get 7 plus 1 8 by 2 fourth item. No, so median is value of the fourth item. So after finding median is fourth item, then let's check where is the fourth item. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth item is lying at 17, isn't, or 17 is lying at the fourth place. So median is the 14. So this is one way for the finding median of individual data. Now I will come into the individual data, but it will be a little bit different. What will be different? We'll see. Let's see. So here is the question. Find the median of the data 12, 18, 13, 8, 17, 25, 30 and 40. So how many data are you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 data are over there. 8 numbers are over there, isn't? And process is the same. We'll use the same formula. Let's see. So first we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So this is done over here. And after arranging the data in ascending order, we will rule out. So median is value of n plus 1 by 2 th item, and here n is 8. So 8 plus 1 by 2 th item, it comes 4.5 item. So 4.5 item, just we cannot locate just by observing over here. So for that, what we have to do, we have to break it. So 4.5 mean it's that value which comes after 4, and this is the value which comes before 5th, isn't? 4.5 mean after 4 before 5, or like 7.5 will mean 7.5 item will mean value after 7th item and before 8 item, like that we will consider. So 4.5 fifth item, for finding this thing we'll get the half of the sum of 4th and the 5th item. Please be sure that here may not be double meaning. 4.5 as being 4.5, I'm not adding 4 and 5th, 4th and 5th. 4.5 mean after 4th and before 5th. That means we have to add term which comes, we have to add we have to get the half of the terms of sum of the 4th and 5th. Just like suppose there is a 9.5 term. So 9.5 item is getting over there. So 9th item, and after that is 10th item. So 9th item plus 10th item whole divided by 2 we have to do. So for 4.5 item, 4th item plus 5th item divided by 2 I'm doing. And 4th item was 17 above, and 5th item was 18. So 17 plus 18 divided by 2. By doing so, we'll get median equal to 17.5. So this is the process of finding median for individual data when they are given odd number of items or an even number of items. Okay, so that was for the individual data. Now let's come for the discrete data. When data is given discrete, isn't? So discrete mean there will be given frequency table. So here's the question. Find the median of the data given below, and here is given frequency table. Weight of strings is given in kg: 35, 38, 41, 48, and 50. And number of strings is given 8, 12, 17, 9, and 7, isn't? And now how we'll proceed, let's see. So first we have kept weight of strings and number of strings as a frequency over there. Now 35 weight, if it's lined up, then there are 80 strings, and after then 81 kg, 35 kg, and after that 81 kg. Okay, they made one simple mistake over here, so it's not 30. This value has been changed. Here I should have kept 38, but it has been kept 81. Please consider this. That has been a small mistake, but for the finding median it won't matter. Let's see. So till 35 kg of weight, there were 8 strings, and when another weight 38 is added over there, next 12 strings have been over there, isn't it? So likewise, next 41 kg, for 41 kg there have been 17 strings added. Likewise, it was going down, isn't it? So for median, for finding the rule of the median is same, n plus 1 by 2 ts item will do, but we have to create up to this data how many strings have been over there, that we have to find first. So up to 35 kg of the weight, there were 80 strings, and when this another weight 38 kg is been added, consider this as 38. Okay, when 38 kg been added over there, so 12 strings are added, so now total being 8 plus 12, 20, isn't? Like that we have to consider. And again, on that 20 strings, when 41 kg strings were added for 17 strings, no, so 20 plus 17 will be 37 strings over there. So this kind of the addition will take place over there, and this is called cumulative frequency. So first we have to prepare cumulative frequency table. So for 35 till 35 kg of weight, there are 8 strings, and when this another weight is added, there were 12 strings added, and that became 20 kg. And after 41 kg, then after 41 kg strings were added, there are 17 strings over there, so adding them on these 20 strings up to this weight of kg, 17 plus 20 is 37 kg became. And for 48 strings, another 48 strings were added, 48 kg strings were added, there are 9 strings there, so 9 plus 37, that will be 46 strings in total. And when strings of 50 kg, there are 7 strings, they are added, so 46 plus 7, there is 53. So this one which comes at end, cumulative frequency which comes at end, that will be total number of strings over there. So 8 plus 12 plus 17 plus 9 plus 7, if we'll do, it will come same again, 53. Now after finding this cumulative frequency table, now we'll use same formula for median. So median equal to value of the n plus 1 by 2 th item, isn't? And doing so, so n is 53 over here, so 53 plus 1 by 2 th item, and after that it comes, see, 53 plus 1, 54 by 2 27th item. And for observing 27 item in individual data, if we are checking 27th item, we can observe, we could observe directly over there, but here we cannot observe directly. So what we have to do is, this is greater than which CF we have to check. So 27 is greater than which CF here? Compared to 8 it's not, isn't? Compared to 8 is greater, but exactly with which is being greater over there, that we have to check. So after 8 there is 20 also, so compared to 20, 27 is greater, but by 37 it is not greater, isn't? So by 20, isn't? CF just greater than 27 is what we have to check. CF just greater than 27 is 37. If I have made a mistake, I will repeat it once again. We have to check CF just greater than this value. So CF just greater than 27 is 37, isn't? And its corresponding value is 41. So we can say median is 41. So what do you have to do? CF just greater than 27, what is that? That we have to mention, that is 37, and its corresponding value is 41. Therefore median is 41. Okay, so this is done for the finding median of the discrete data or discrete series, or median for the data having frequency table with the this discrete data, isn't it? Now let's go for the continuous data. Median for continuous data. So continuous data, what do we understand by that thing? We have to see first. The data or marks will be given in interval form. So 10 to 20 interval you can say, or you can say class also. So 10 to 20 student obtaining marks from starting from 10 within 20, that is given here, isn't that will lie here. And students who are getting marks from starting from 20 within 30, not 30, within 30, those students will lie over here. And likewise these are other intervals, 30 to 40, 40 50 and 50 70, isn't. So they are given number of students 4 8 12 9 and 7. And now what we'll do is same process we will do. We have to create the cumulative frequency table. So marks are given, isn't 10 20 20 30 like this, and the number of students who have obtained marks within those classes or within those intervals that are given over here, isn't. And we have to make the cumulative frequency table as we did in the discrete data also, for finding median or for finding quartiles or for decile percentile, isn't. For all those partition values we have to prepare the cumulative frequency table. So the first is 4, and 4 added with 8 it is 12, 12 added with 12 is 24, 24 added with 9 is 33, and then added with 7 it is 40. So total number at the end with cumulative frequencies over there, that will be total number of students over there. You can check it also. You will be adding this 4 8 12 9 and 7, it will come 40. Now for finding the, before finding the exact median, we have to find class for the median first. So this is it will lead like this. Class for median is n by 2 TS class. And one thing you have to remember is, for the finding median we have used n plus 1 by 2 TS item for the discrete and the individual data. But for finding class for median, when we are taking for the continuous series, we use n by 2 only, not n plus 1 by 2. We'll use n by 2 only. And so by doing that, n by 2 TS class, let's make calculate the value, and the median is, okay, so here it is, n by 2 classes, n that is 40, 40 by 2 is 20, 20 class it became. And process is same. CF just greater than 20 is what that we have to check. So CF just greater than 20 is 24, isn't, and its corresponding class is 30 to 40. So that I've stated here. CF just greater than 20 is 24, and its related class is 30 to 40 interval. Now after finding or after identifying what is the class for median, now we will use the formula for finding real median now, or exact median now, and that is given as median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. And a student can make mistake over here. See, this division is only for n by 2 minus CF, it is not for L plus. That means L is not included over here, L is separately plus. So n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. And what are the values of this we have to check. L is the L is the lowest value of the median class. See, so median class is 30 to 40 that we have already identified, and its lower term or its lowest term is L. So L equal to 30 over here. And after finding L, now we have to check CF. CF is the preceding cumulative frequency compared to the median class CF. So for the median class CF it's 24, and its preceding CF is 12. This could be understood very clearly. What do you have to take as a CF? We have to see first what is the CF of the median class. So from the median class their CF is 24, and CF just above of it, or you can say CF preceding CF, and that is being here 12. So CF required CF is 12. And after CF, frequency is the here frequency taken from the median class. So frequency from the median class is 12, so value of F is 12. And after that I is the difference of the median class. So here median class is 30 to 40 and its difference is 10. That means 40 minus 30 is 10. So all the values of L, CF, F and I are found. Now you're free to put their values only. L is 30, N by 2 40 by 2, CF is 12, frequency is also 12 over there, and into I is 10. Now let's calculate. So this will come as 40 by 2 20, and minus 12 by 12 into 10, and that is coming 6.767. So 36.67 is the median of the given data of the continuous series. So up to here we have come. We did starting from the mean for individual data, then went to mean for the discrete data, and continuous series mean I have not found in this video. Later I'll be posting over there. And then we started median for individual data for both of the forms, having including number in odd number or in the even number. And after that we came for the median of the discrete data, and finally we have done median for the continuous series, and in the middle we have done some reverses also. Okay, so for today this much I'll do, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you will appreciate my work. And please don't hesitate to feel free to share, subscribe my channel, and please you may keep some comments over there for uh, what for promoting me. Okay, thank you everyone, and namaste.